Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel, also press bell icon to receive latest video. In this video I explain character, a data type which is used in R. Character is used when we store data as text in R, which is also called string. The easiest way to store data under character format is by using inverted colons around the text. Everything inside inverted commas will be considered as character, no matter it looks like character or not. Means it may be in text format or in numeric format. If we write numeric number in inverted commas, then R consider it as character. Now we perform this in R. Here is variable name, short name for character, get sign, inverted commas, I write text, for retrieve data, write variable name, enter. Here is data is stored in R. Now I check its class. Class is a function used to check data type. Write variable name that we assign. This is character. So we write text in inverted commas and it shows as character. Now I take another example. Assume another variable. Here is vector, inverted commas, here is store 6 in inverted commas, and now we check class. This is character. So as you can see, 6 is numeric value, but it is in inverted commas. R assume this as character. So everything which is in inverted commas, either text or numeric, R consider it as character. So we move point number 2. If you want to force any kind of data to be stored as character, you can do it by using command as.character. In my previous video, when we want to convert numeric data into integer, the command to be used as.integer. So convert data into character, the command to be used as.character. So now we perform this point in RStudio. I have variable children, get command, start vector, enter. For the purpose to check data, here is our data 5, 6 and 9. Now I check its class. So in my previous video, which is on numeric, I explained that every data, when you put the data to R input, it should be saved by default in numeric form. So as you see, we have the data of children 5, 6, 9, and it is in numeric form, which is by default the function in R, data stored in numeric form. Now we want to convert it into character. So assume the variable as dot character. Write the variable name which we want to convert into character. Enter. Now we check our data. So as you can see, children 5, 6 and 9, this was the data which is in numeric format. Now after applying the as dot character command, it is convert into character format and write in inverted commas, and we learn everything which is in inverted commas, either text or numeric. This is character. Now we check its class. So this is convert into character. Point number 3. If there is at least one character value inside a variable or inside a vector, the whole variable or vector will be considered as character. If we have a single character inside into a variable or a vector, the whole vector or variable to be considered as character. Now we check it in RStudio. Variable get sign, and here is vector start, inverted commas, text, everything in inverted commas is character. So here is one character, and 2 and 5 are numerical, and 2 and 5 are numeric values because they are not right into inverted commas. Enter. Here you can see text is also character, 2 and 5 is also convert in character. So this is a vector, text is a character value, but these two values 2 and 5 are numeric. But we read that if a single character value present in a variable or a vector, then the whole vector is considered as character. So the whole vector is character. Now we check its class, which type of data it lie. This is character. Point number 4. Although space does not matter in numerical data, but it does matter for character data. Space matter in character data. As you can see from results, space within character data make it different string in R. Now we perform this in RStudio. Number underscore space. We assume a variable name, get sign, Here we introduce space in vector. No space get sign. We start vector with no space. Here we check no underscore space is equal to number underscore space is equal to number underscore no space. Enter true. So this is true. It means it does not matter to produce space in numeric form. Now we check this for character. Character underscore space, character underscore space get sign. Here I produce space text enter underscore no space get sign text character underscore space is equal to no space underscore no space enter false. So it means as we read that in R space matter for character data, but it does not matter for numeric data. As you can see, it does not matter for numeric data. Here is the numeric data, we produce space here, but this is true. No there is no difference by creating space or not, but in character space makes difference. If you want to see videos on data types of data, numeric data, integer, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.